In this tutorial, we are going to learn the wiring diagram of direct online method of starting electric motor. Please, for better understanding, on the control circuit diagram of direct online, go back and watch the video. Check on the link below. A wiring diagram is a visual representation of the connections within an electrical system. It's a map that shows how wires are interconnected to various components. Wiring diagrams are used to illustrate the physical layout of electrical circuits. They provide a clear picture of how components are connected, aiding in installation, troubleshooting, and repair. They are crucial for electricians, engineers, and anyone. Now, let's learn control wiring diagram of direct online. Let us examine the wiring connection of direct online. From the single pole MCB, connect to overload 95. From 96 connect to stop push button. Connect start button to through the stop push button. Then from start button, connect to number 13, of the auxiliary. From start button also, connect to normally open 14 auxiliary contact. From normally open 14 auxiliary contact, connect to A1. Then link A2, to neutral. That is for direct online. You can re-watch the video to enable you to understand the connection. Now, that you have learned the wiring diagram, please, keep practicing it. Thanks. Please, like, and share our videos. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, to enable you receive notification whenever we release a new video. Under the comment, please drop your comment, ask your question, or any topic you want us to treat. I promise we are going to satisfy you. Thanks for watching.